Hello world. In this series of videos, I will be introducing a programming language called Lean4 for the sake of programming. We might do some theorem proving, but mathematics is not the main concern here. Okay, this is a fresh install, this machine. So it does not have VS Code nor Lean. Okay, so I'll be demonstrating first how to install Lean4 through VS Code. Okay, let's get started. Okay, should be fast enough. Okay, the recommended way to install VS Code on Mac OS is to unzip the downloaded file and then move it into applications. On Windows and Linux it should be similar, even easier. Okay, now VS Code should be searchable through Spotlight. We have it right here. Okay, in this case we have VS Code, and then we should install Lean4 through the extension, Lean4 extension. There are various other way to install Lean4, but as far as I know, this is the easiest way. Let's create a standalone project. Let's name it Lean4 demo. Okay, now Lean4, the VS Code extension for Lean4 will walk you through the installation of the whole Lean4 toolchain. And the first thing it prompts you is that it does not have the Elaine version manager for Lean4. And after this is installed, the Lake Builder tool for Lean4 and the Lean command will also be installed automatically. Just allow VS Code to guide you. Let's see. Downloading the toolchain might take some time. Should be any minute now. Now it's creating the project. Remember this version 4.24.0. We will see it later. Okay, let's open it. This version string is specified in this file, lean toolchain. And as long as this is not updated, we'll have a stable installation that won't change. Okay, so from the log that we saw, it also created a git commit for you, the initial commit, containing all these files. Let's take a look at Lake file. Lake file describes how this whole project is to be built. So what it basically says here is that there's a lean executable whose name is called Lean4 demo, and the entry point will be main.lean. Opening this file, we should be able to start navigating things. Here, it's trying to print a string, and then this S exclamation mark is a macro. What it does is to make the whole string an interpolated string, like the F string in Python. And then the content between the curly brackets is actually a variable, which I can navigate through clicking it, command click. And from here you can see that it is defined basic.lean, and the variable is actually a string. So what it should do is to replace the identifier hello with its content world right at this position, and then print the whole string after interpolation, which should give us hello world exclamation mark. Okay, let's try to see if that's actually the case. The command to do this is lake exec, and then let's go back to lake file. Okay, remember that the entry point is main.lean, with the resulting executable name being Lean4 demo. This command should compile the whole thing and then execute it. Great, exactly as described. So now you have a working Lean4 toolchain with the project. In the next video, I will be demonstrating how to prove this theorem. So as a matter of fact, there are built-in data types that we can use, and also related definitions and theorems. So what I'm trying to do is to prove this. Okay, plus is for string appending. Appending two strings and taking its last character should give you the last character of the second string, which is T. Okay. For the meantime, we use sorry to sidestep the whole proof, which we should complete in the next video. But at this point, one should know that this statement is logically false. And what I'm going to review in the next video is not only how to prove it after the modification of this statement, but also how one will get stuck and be not able to proceed given a false statement. Okay, so at this moment, can you actually identify what missing precondition is there for this statement to hold true? Okay, think about it.